All right, so Module 7 does a lot. There's a lot to do with concentration. Just how we think about how many molecules are in a given space. All right. And what we can do with that, one thing we can do is dilute things. So by diluting it means we have less. So we have a solution that has so many molecules per space. We take some of those out, move them into a new solution. So that, and in every case, anytime you do this, anytime you do a dilution, the concentration is less. You can't get more concentrated, you get less concentrated. All right. And so this question says, how many mils of a 0.101 molar stock solution are needed to prepare 50 mils of a 4.8 times 10 to the minus 3 molar solution? Okay. So it's a dilution problem. We're going to use M1 V1 equals M2 V2. You just have to be consistent, okay? So here's a molarity, here's a volume. Here's a molarity, sorry. Let me do this like this. Here's a molarity, and then we want how many milliliters, so that's our volume. Okay? So, before we do anything, let's look at, this is 3 sig figs. This is 4. This is 3. Okay? So our answer will have 3 sig figs. Alright? I'm not going to think about it anymore. So, anyway, back to the problem. So we keep these two together. Alright? Those go on one side of the equation. This goes on the other side, and then we have an x. Okay. One more thing. As far as M1 and M2 are concerned, V1, V2, as long as they're in the same units, they do not have to be in anything standard. Volume, both of them could be in gallons. They don't even have to be metric, but they have to be the same. That's the important thing. Okay? So let's just do this. We have M1. It doesn't matter which one you call which one and which one you call 2. Times 10 minus 3 molar. Someone's getting a ticket. V1, 50.00 mils. Okay, that's in milliliters. Okay, so M2, 0.0100 molar. And then X. Okay. We don't know how many. That's what we're trying to find out is X. Okay. Again, just to reiterate, this is in molarity. This one's in molarity. Same unit. This one is in milliliters, so that means this one will be in milliliters. That's what the answer will be in, all right? All you have to do is solve for X here. You should get X equals 24.0 mils. Okay, 3 sig figs. All right, a lot to think about, but just recognize when you see these kind of problems, it's dilution. Anytime we're doing dilution, we're doing this. We typically know 3 of the variables. We're solving for the 4th.